Hi guys, welcome to this video, which is my last video out of this home because I'm selling it. It's a little bit a sad video for me. It's moving out. I am selling this home. I will hope to find a new home. Also so nice. I really loved this. It's a nice pool and everything, but it is as it is. So here, that's my last video, and as you can see, that's about the Frontier, the Arris router. I have all the stuff here, so it's very easy to see how the cabling has to be done. So I was sometimes struggling with that as well. So if you like recable when you move your TV to another location or buy new furniture or whatever, you can end up with problems if you don't do the cable right. So I have it here. As you can see, the black cable comes out of the wall and then it goes into this distribution box. And from there, the right thing is not needed. I mean, actually, it can go directly to a TV as far as I know. I haven't used that. The white thing in the middle, actually it's all the way around, of course. So this is, as you can see, but you will see, you will find out which one is which one. So the one in the middle, goes over there and right into this smaller box. So, and that's also an Arris box. I don't know why this is needed, but it's needed when you don't have when you don't have turn it on and you don't have the right cabling. It won't work. So the white thing goes into that, as well as a USB. The USB power comes from the big router. As you can see, there's a USB power plug in the big router, and also we need an Ethernet cable here that goes from the small box here over there to the big box, to the red thing, which is, I don't know how it's labeled, can't see that. It's not focusing right away, so it says broadband. Yeah, it says broadband. And what we do also have, the left, when you hold it on opposite way, so the one here, which is 7.5 decibel, the black one over here, it goes to where does it go? Yeah, here as well, to the big router, to the Arris router. You can see details here, and you can see we have all green lights and we have a blue globus or globe. So that means everything is perfect. It's still working. I have actually canceled my contract, but they are saying they are not doing pro rata, so it will stay here and work till the end of the month or close to that. So, of course, you have to plug in the whole thing. I mean, the big router, it needs a power cable, goes from here, of course, to the outlet. This small box has the power through USB from the big box. So that's it. This is absolutely the cable. I'm showing you the whole picture again. If you can't remember, just make a screenshot, print, and you will see what is needed to have this properly running. If you do something a little bit different, then you end up with no internet. I had this one time and I had to call the support, and it took me a long time with them to figure out what the problem was. So that's it. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.